Hello everyone who is watching us right now. Mazina maita ADB the entertainer, of course, Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda, of course. Unaweza kutufuata ngam kutitia Bridge, that's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, hamwe Instagram. Okufuna information yone tukwantu kuletela. Yes sir, ekigamba Apex TV UG. Right now tujya nyine ha video shoot ya umwana bakwita Elvis, of course. Nsa kumantu kuletela buchimwe cyono kuje kutambula. Yes, video yagikozise nkahi, aitire mushingizi ngahi, ebyo byona nsa kumantu kuletela nyiri Apex TV. Of course, nabahaba gikwasire na buchimwe chona na tugambira na story behind that ya Keshongoroke, of course ahinyini Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Woine buchimwe cyono cyo kwenda kutugambira, woine video shoot, woine interview yona, woine bukamukona ko kwenda kugambanitwe turu wow, of course covering information yona eri kubane kwata abaslebu nyona kugambira ADB the entertainer, of course nyendo ho okuletera byona Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Yes, of course, amazina maita ADB the entertainer right now. Yes, naza kutwara video shooting kwereka abana batari bomwe bomwe, of course abari mbakora video ji na mushingo, of course njya kumani mukusia mpola mpola maita ADB the entertainer right now. Nafuna video director. Yes, alina shooting Elvis, of course ahinyini Apex TV na kwachira mnyano wanje.
Yo,
how are you?
I'm cool.
Right now ramuse bari mbatureba right now Apex TV.
Hey everyone, director Titus, Egon Films.
Right now mwamuryahe nyine video shoot ya Elvis yice Shongoroki.
Yes.
Ni story ne herumu echibe ku expectinga.
Nece Shongo cha Elvis coin. Akeshongoro niko tumshooting ajesha.
Okay.
Story ya mutaya byaine ayino mwishiwe.
Okay.
Akamudedicate nja Akeshongoro. Akeshongoro kana kazana mu club.
Okay.
Now we are in a club setup. That's what we are doing right now.
Okay. What should we expecting it to go at
massive? It's massive. Director Titus, Egon Films. It's massive. Always.
Promise us something.
Yeah, it's a great project. We're just trying to put it together. It is a great project.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a great projects ni nyingi munonga. Oh my man, ni nyingi.
Who is behind company Nehejo?
This is Egon Films.
Okay.
To CEO Brother Wilson.
Okay.
I'm director Titus.
Okay.
To Bernard na tukora chimwa set up a scene. Buchimwe massive.
Thank you so much. Director TZ, of course. Ngoko ya natugambira ati John Engineer, of course niza kuletera beshongo umweshongozi atugambire WhatsApp yakiteka muzinga hina buchimwe chona na kwachira munywano wanje Elvis. How are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Tugambire right now bari kureba Apex TV. To expecting echi baramusi no kubona musya.
Turumuntu kore kintu chamana hana Ergon Studio.
Okay.
Yeah, ndio mushongozi wa Ergon Studio. Yeah, under management ya Ergon, so turumuntu kore chamana.
Ekisongo kimuri mu shooting nikiya.
Macheta Akeshongoro.
First give us pera.
Akeshongoro nakawe haza iwe Akeshongoro nakawe iwe.
To expecting echi ryo munanka soreje ne ha by the way yone ryo mu Akeshongorako.
Nka dedicate njira umurungi wanje.
Okay.
No ndijo na wasaka kozesa akadedicate njira umurungi we.
Okay.
It's ka danceable, you can dance it anywhere. Niko kirishito.
Watege mukazinga ino kira mukureye kwawo. Like how much?
Nkuko nagambira the under management.
Okay.
Ati company ne yatekam.
Okay. Wow, thank you so much. Aha ukubana kena Keshongoraka, of course naje kufuna after nakubona kifuna mikutunge yana neha.
Echo ndiza kutigara kama after tija kuija Apex TV tubashoborera kuba twine kufuna main channels ahibara chifunde konka nishiza kubakiro
platforms zawe
nyine YouTube channel.
Okay.
Konkani tuzakubanza tukite haya Bronson first, then birakora toni kubagambira.
Thank you so much. His name is Elvis Coin. Of course, Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Of course, I was following him kutitia Bridge. That's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, hamwe na Instagram. Of course, tujya video shoot ya Elvis. Kanko ajere kwisia abana right now benyini abarya amwanya henyini batugambire ncheche cyo ntambara chita right now. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Matthew Musa.
Oh no, kora nkacho mu video?
Nze mwana wendinze na.
Films.
Okay.
Twine CEO Brother Wilson.
Okay.
I'm director Titus.
Okay.
Twine Bernard na tukora chimwa setup Hasin. Buri kimwe massive.
Thank you so much. Director TZ of course. Ngoko yana tugambira ati John Twenjere of course niza kuretera besho umweshongozi atugambire WhatsApp yakiteka muzinga hina bukimwe chona nakwakira munywano wanje Elvis. How are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Tugambire right now barimba kureba Apex TV. So expecting echi baramusi no kubona musya.
Turumuntu kore kintu chamana na Ergon Studio.
Okay.
Yeah, ndio mweshongozi wa Ergon Studio. Yeah, under management ya Ergon, so turumuntu kore chamana.
Echi chungu chimuri shooting ni chiya.
Bacheta Akeshongoro.
First give us akapera.
Akeshongoro nakawe haza iwe Akeshongoro nakawe iwe.
To expecting echi ryo munanka so region ye by the way yone ryo mu Akeshongorako
nka dedicate njira umurungi wanje.
Okay.
Nondijo nabasaka kozesa akadedicate njira umurungi we.
Okay.
Ekindi ka danceable, you can dance it anywhere. Niko kirishityo
watike mukazinge no gira mukureye kwawo like how much
nkuko nagambira the under management.
Okay.
Ati company ne yatekam.
Okay. Wow, thank you so much. Aha ukubana kena Akeshongorako of course naje kufuna after nakubona kifuna mikutunge yana neha
echo ndiza kuchigara kama after tiza kuija Apex TV tubashoborera kuba twine kufuna main channels ahibara chifunde konka nishiza kubakiro
platforms zawe.
Yes, ninye Elvis, President Elvis Coin, turumuntu shooting a video Akeshongoro nakawe anu ya Leisure Park International Hotel. Yes. Akeshongoro nakakuba nkashoro mbwire buche Elgon Studios Company Apex TV. We love you so much. Mwebari kuja kutuberera hano ya shooting yitu. Mukarinde
ankosoro mugabe wankore no mukimanya bakabaya kintu kitera kiteka revendijo ijaro cyaro banje Elvis ari yakushutinga Akeshongoro keye nabwo redi na Akeshongoro aza ankosoro ro nagaraka na lete kindi kintu twine nakakora by the way na Elvis nsinganto tena kubatera kandi ka gospel kanyo na Elvis already ekintu nda kusteka revendijo abantu western mwe bare kutagira kuteka mukwenda nite itwende kintu kikagenda mmesho.
Yeah, this is Mateo Musa ngatesa zinondi wanokura Elvis kubanga video ye katina kuzino Elvis kiwalese kipya mwana tuino kuberera wata abantu bamba mbasaba nyonyo mwana kintu tukiberemu amunyo ne Elgon Studio ne baganda bange bona boze okwasaganya Elvis. It's gonna be good and massive, I know. Boom.
Nashemererwa kuija hano mu studio na munonga akureba mutabane witu kandi umuzarwa witu ari yarakombosinga Akeshongoro kaka Akeshongoro kwe akari Akeshongoro mazima turiyo bahagize turiyo turamuhagera munonga sti yeah